So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this maintenance mode error in your WordPress website. So many users face this error while they are updating their theme or plugin, and due to any glitch or any problem it just stuck there and they see this maintenance mode error. Very easy to solve. I'm using Hostinger. In your case, it may be different. You may be using GoDaddy, Namecheap, or anything else. But one common thing is they all provide this restore website feature. So what this will do is this will take your website back in the time machine. So I am facing this issue today, but tomorrow this issue was not in my website. So what I can do is I can just go to this old date, the past. I can just take my website to past from in this website restore feature. So you just have to select the date that is nearby it nearby the today's date. You see this, I have 15. So after it you have to click on this restore, and after it your website will restore to this date and your issue will be easily solved. So many of you tell me that no, I haven't, in my hosting company doesn't provide this feature. So what I will do, so let me tell you, every hosting company has this feature. Sometimes they don't give access to direct user this feature. So what you can do is either you can use this chat system, whatever they provided to you to contact them, chat system or email or in through call, and you can just tell them that I am facing this error and just fix the issue for me in just 1 hour or 2 hours. And they have this feature called website restore and they will do it for you, and definitely your issue will be solved. So thank you, and if this video is helpful and informative, give it a like and subscribe my channel. That's it.